so sorry, Major Courtney, but I'm afraid General Gordon has bitten Mr. Robinson's finger. Now he's on the top of the cabinet and refuses to come down.
Mr. Robinson is on top of the cabinet?
Oh, no, Mr. Harvey. General Gordon. Mr. Lawson, you're the tallest. Do you think you could try to get him down for us?
Sure. I'll get him, Mum.
Oh, I feel I'm being such a bother.
How could you possibly think a thing like that?
Oh, you are kind. You're always very fond of parrots, and they were at sea for many years with my husband.
Here, I'll do it.
Oh,
all right.
Captain Wilberforce was in the Mercantile Marine. Oh, be quiet, you naughty bird. Hello.
Come here, birdie.
Do be careful, Mr. Lawson. General Gordon, Mr. Robinson, oh, don't laugh. You catch him. Mr. Lawson, it's all right. We'll help you in a minute. General Gordon. Oh, don't open the door. Major. He mustn't get out. Oh, Major, could you? Oh, Mr. Lawson, no, you're in the chair. Mr. Robinson.
Hey, give us a hand, will you?
The conservatory, oh, dear, what a pity. Oh.
I'll get him for you.
Yes,
Here.
you get him.
General. Nice birdie.